Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be crocheting my friend's hair. How she wants it to look like. She wants the front to be single braids. She don't want everything cornrow, and she doesn't want rubber bands tie. Because she said the rubber bands would kind of like lock her base. Yes, that's her decision. So the back part of it, we're gonna be cornrolling it, because the problem we had was that she didn't buy enough crochet. But we brought this crochet, she brought it from Nigeria. So now what I'm doing is the front part, since she wanted single strand, so I have to use the crochet pin to kind of like grab the loop of the crochet braids, and then I have to use gel. You can use whatever gel you have. I use the Shine Jam gel to like rub it on her natural hair, then use the pin to like pass the her hair across the braids, more like making it invisible, to prevent from someone seeing it. So doing this style, you need to buy the exact color of your hair. So if you have a tinted color, you can use black. If your tinted color on your hair is gold, so you have to get a gold extension or a gold crochet so that when you take it round, when you kind of like pass your natural hair on the crochet braid, it won't be visible, just like what you see right now. So it's not visible. So in between this video, I was turning off my ring light, so I didn't know, because I cannot film every step, so I have to film the most important steps. So at this point, I mistakenly turn off my ring light. I didn't notice it. Guys, so in the video, a bit of it, you'll see some part dark, some part light. So so that is it. So guys, so watch this video and I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my video, like and share my video. I'll see you in my next upload.
Keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn.